Software development has changed, with code being pushed to production faster than ever before. But what about application security? Today's engineering teams need an application security tool that keeps up with the pace of modern development, leaving manual or scheduled tests after deployment in the past. Instead, developers need a tool built to run within their existing workflows to find and fix security vulnerabilities before production. Introducing StackHawk, the first of its kind in automated dynamic application security testing, allowing software engineers to find, triage, and fix vulnerabilities within existing workflows. StackHawk's Docker-based DAST scanner is simple to run and built for modern applications and APIs written in any language. With lightning-fast security scans, it tests all paths and API routes for vulnerabilities, returning results for review and triage in minutes, all automated within your existing delivery pipeline. See the request and response payloads with evidence of the security bug. Recreate the bug with a simple curl command generator so your team can easily step through code and fix mishandled requests. After that, it is up to you. Fix it now or fix it later by adding it to your existing backlog, or accept the risk, silencing the finding on future scans. Built on the open-source Zap project, the industry standard in dynamic application security testing, StackHawk makes it easy to find and fix security vulnerabilities before deploying to production. StackHawk, automated application security testing for modern engineering teams. Get started for free today at StackHawk.com.